Southeast Asia is home to nearly 650 million people. Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, and Thailand, of course, are leading economies in a group known as the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Interroll has been operating in Southeast Asia since 1988. Today, Interroll has additional customer service and project management offices in Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand. In 2019, Interroll established another cornerstone for customer satisfaction with the opening of its new Bangkok factory that has a triple capacity of almost 6,000 square meters. About 100 people work here in a very modern environment. They do their best every day to support our customers' businesses in this booming region. The layout of the factory follows both the corporate design as well as it includes many wishes of the employees. The new factory shines. Integrated into Interroll's worldwide network, we work hand in hand with the colleagues in China, the United States, Germany, France, and Denmark for globally consistent product quality, expertise, and technological leadership. Joy and passion. At Interroll in Thailand, we believe these are keys to success. The open office design encourages collaboration, access to education, and fosters team spirit. At the same time, the production area is designed for highest efficiency, continuous improvement, and knowledge sharing. The teams meet for regular physical activities to maintain the teamwork. We jointly manage the challenges. Our entrepreneurial spirit and the customer-centric culture make all the difference. We enable our partners to grow and develop ourselves in a climate of excellence. We try to learn every day. Companies like Red Bull, Nestle, Cafe Amazon, and Harley-Davidson rely on our products. Production, project management, and customer service are local, but follow our global standards. We supply many of the fastest-growing industries in this region: food and beverage, e-commerce, fashion, and automotive. Interroll Thailand has a remarkable track record of successful projects and is very well positioned to further enable our customers' growth. And we're happy to take social responsibility as a corporate citizen. Our people support numerous projects. This gives Interroll Thailand another purpose, and our people one more reason to work with us. Quality, speed, and easiness. Our promises count a lot because our goal is to make our customers smile.